Hello kids! I'm Captain AHS. Get ready to mix and match, because with just a swirl of colors, we're about to create some dazzling new shades. Let's get started!
Saro, look! This cupcake has purple icing. But how did they make it? I don't see any purple icing in the tubes.
And this one has orange frosting. I thought they only had red, yellow, and blue colors in the bakery.
That's because the bakers mixed the icing colors to make new ones. Purple comes from mixing red and blue. And orange is made from red and yellow.
They mix the colors? Like when we mix ingredients to bake cookies?
Exactly. The same way ingredients come together to make a delicious cake, colors mix to create new ones. Let's go to the home, and I'll show you a fun example. These are primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. They're the base colors for everything you see around you, even the icing on the cupcakes. Let's try mixing them. Look! When we mix red and blue, it's purple.
Just like the cupcake icing.
What happens if we mix red and yellow?
Give it a try and see.
It's like the pumpkin cupcakes.
Baba, look! The sunset has so many colors, orange, purple, and even pink. Did someone mix the colors in the sky too?
It does seem like magic, doesn't it?
The colors of the sunset happen naturally, but the same principles apply. The orange in the sunset comes from mixing yellow and red. Like the juicy oranges we love to eat.
Baba, can we make purple color?
Yes, the purple color comes from mixing red and blue. Just like
the color of grapes.
Nature is like a big artist. The green grass must come from yellow and blue mixing too.
Exactly, Saro! These brown tree trunks are made by mixing red, yellow, and blue, just like chocolate. I think color mixing is my favorite thing now.
you can create so many beautiful shades. Like the pink flowers I painted by mixing red and white.
It's like we have endless possibilities with just 3 primary colors. Even my dark gray clouds came from mixing black and white to create a new shade.
And don't forget, when we mix colors in different amounts, we can make them lighter, darker, or even completely new shades. Artists can create neutral tones like brown and gray by mixing all 3 primary colors.
Now it's the time for quiz. What color do you get when you mix red and blue? Option A, green. Option B, purple. Option B is correct, which shows a purple color. Which picture shows the result of mixing blue and yellow? Option A, an orange carrot. Option B, green leaves. Excellent. Option B is correct. Blue and yellow mix to create a color that many plants have. Which picture shows the result of mixing red and yellow? Option A, an orange sunset. Option B, a blue ocean. Good job! Option A is correct. Red and yellow mix to create a warm color often seen in sunsets. Mixing red and white makes pink. Is this statement true or false? Perfect! This statement is true. Mixing blue and green makes yellow. Is this statement true or false? This statement is false. Blue and green cannot make yellow. Good job, kids! Next time, we'll bring pictures to life with vibrant colors. Get your crayons ready for some serious fun!